Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis for Bank Nifty. And yes, so today is the 1st of June 2023. The current time is 9:11 or 9:12 a.m. IST. And what is the pre open data? I've not yet checked it. Let me just look at it. Okay, so we are opening flat 43,172. Okay, so we are opening flat and I am looking for some sort of responsive buying. So 44 172. Okay, so 44 172. Sorry, this is on the futures chart. This is the spot chart. So I have got a level of supply where I'm expecting to come in, but overall what you see is a very important thing which you have to understand and which you have to learn. uh, just hold on, I'm looking for my drawing tool. Where is the drawing tool? Where is the drawing tool? Just hold on. No, 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 no. I think it was somewhere. Nope. Okay, but anyways, so what I wanted to share was this is the zone where there are trapped buyers, and below we have got some trapped supply. Okay. Uh, Overall, if I jump from the bird's eye view perspective, what has happened in the Bank Nifty futures is we formed a 2-day balance. We had a good rejection, and these are the zones where supply was trapped. So when the second level, the supply was trying to exit, and that's where some responsive buying came in, and then we had a good short covering move. So overall we have an excess. So for me this excess is very important. We have got the close around the 44,288 levels, but I am not expecting any bigger up move, and the reason is there are trapped buyers above. So anything above, I'm looking for responsive selling. And if I just jump to the the lower time frame chart, right, this is where a lot of trapped buyers are already present. Okay, so the auction will open now in next 20 seconds. So let's see if there is any opportunity, but overall, yeah, there are trapped buyers above. Okay, in the meantime, if you have got any questions, yeah, do let me know. So this is a new monthly series which I'm going to start to decode the open. So let's see where the price opens and how the price reacts. But structurally there are trapped supply, or so not supply, but there are trapped buyers who are going to provide the supply today. Okay, so and we have started. So what we see is clearly we try to move above, and then clearly the price is dropping. So 44,200 is where the supply is definitely coming in, and if you look at the reaction, right, it is just chopping and chopping, and that is what I was telling you, that we have got trapped buyers here. So odds are higher that we will be developing lower, and the auction is already developing lower. I'll wait for the first 3-minute candle to close. But overall what has happened is we looked above 44,300 and failed. We are currently trading at 44,200, and I'm looking for the supply to be shutting off, and see whether we have continuation or not. So we are seeing continuation. There is a good amount of supply coming in. The delta is pretty flat. It has just been 60 seconds, and we are now entering the previous week high. This is where yesterday the supply shut off and we had a short covering. So some responsive buying is expected to be happening here. Okay, so nothing from this chart, nothing from this chart, and yeah, so nothing. Yeah, the chart is still loading, but anyways, so just jump back to. So we're just chopping around. So I'm now just looking at the numbers. So at the top we have got trapped buyers, also a supply sitting there. At the bottom, yeah, we have got some trapped sellers, but yeah, but overall, from a higher time frame perspective, as the price is moving higher, I'm looking to see the reaction at 44 to 34, because that's where again the supply would be reinitiating their trades. So what will happen is we will be seeing supply coming in now. They will try to take lower, and then we can have a short covering move. So currently, today being the weekly expiry, for the Bank Nifty options, let it play out. And currently the A period is where the price is just chopping around and it's just ranging. Okay, so as the option is, so let me just open the 44,000 call and 44,300 put. Okay, so overall if I look at this two strike, so currently what I'm seeing is there is a lot of buyers which have accumulated positions in the call. The put chart is still loading, but that's fine. Okay. So is supply coming in or not is what I'm looking at. Okay, so there is supply present at 44,200, and I'm using the bid ask line, which is available in TradingView. So I'm just looking at that, and yeah, supply is definitely present at 44,200. Okay, so the supply is definitely coming in lower, but we are seeing rejection at the previous week high. Now I'm looking for some numbers to come in. So I have not taken any trades yet, because overall supply is now shutting off at previous week high, and also there is a VWAP at that level. This is the previous day's VWAP. Okay. HDFC Bank also, we saw the rejection at previous day's VWAP, and we have got trapped sellers now here. So some short covering move will definitely happen. Yeah, so I'm still looking at 44 234. So my trade plan is see the reaction and trade the reaction at 234. Currently the price did move lower. It did move above, saw the supply coming in. Now it is moving lower. Now I'm looking for continuation, because this is where there is a lot of liquidity and stops present. The volumes is pretty flat. So if I look at, the delta is also pretty flat. Yeah. Yep. Short covering is happening. So 44,200 is where there was resistance. Now I'm seeing if it acts as support or not. So I'm not seeing any trade right now. So overall, what I see is there is unfinished auctions. This is the zone where the supply is trapped. Again, there is an unfinished auction. So I'm just analyzing the print. Okay, so I'll remove this. And overall, yeah, it's pretty flat. Both the buyers and sellers, if I look, they're pretty flat. The buyers are the one who are slightly winning the overall auction. But okay, supply has now definitely came in. So 44,200 is where again the supply has reinitiated, and I'm looking for them to go lower. And why did the price shut off at the previous week high? So that data point should tell you something. Yeah. So who is buying or who is exiting at this level? Yeah, because there should be some stops here, right? The stops have not been hit. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the numbers or some volume to come in. Overall, the A period is still trading in equilibrium. Supply is now slowly trying to take charge. Just jump to the lower time frame. Yes, supply is definitely trying to take charge, and now I'm looking for continuation lower. Okay, I'll remove this. So we have got some supply. Yeah, so still pretty flat. I'm not seeing any bigger volume coming in, being an expiry. The time is 9:21. So in HDFC we have got trapped buyers at the top, so it is now just trading sideways. So let me just select my broker and so 43,800 CE. Okay, so 43,800 CE is the strike price in call, and in put it is 44,200. Okay, so currently there is some buyer accumulating in the call, whereas okay, I'll wait for the put to load. So in puts we have got some trapped sellers at the lower end. Yeah, so no clarity, but yeah, so this is still acting as the level of resistance. And now I want to take a put trade, but yeah, now the price just is about 200. So I was trying to book at enter at 198. Now it is trading at 204, 205. That is 44,200 put. So 44,200 put. Yeah, so this is still rising. We are still developing higher, but there is a level where we will see, because this is the zone where the supply is present. Yeah, so sellers will be coming in at higher levels. So this is where I'm looking for sellers to come in. Okay, so this gap has been filled. Unfinished auction has been filled. Now we are seeing some continuation lower. So we have closed below the previous day's VWAP, and now we are seeing some continuation. Okay, so I missed this trade opportunity. That is fine, and I'm looking for supply above. Here again, some buyers are coming in, but there is supply present in the put. Whereas in the call trade, yeah, we are still having trapped buyers. So the call is eroding. The put is also, trading below the zero line. So I'm a bit careful not entering any trades, and this is what I'm just sharing my window. So yeah, this is the fund which is available. Not taken any single trade yet. Yeah, I'm just waiting and watching. And the reason is 44,000 is where a lot of put accumulation has happened. So I'm looking for a breakdown from, and see the good number of supply to come in again. So we are now trying to break lower. Yep, the 44,200 PE is now trading at 220. Yeah, so this is trading at 220. The call is the one which is trying to fall. Yep, good move, good up move. In the puts now, yeah, this is a good continuation happening, and I'm seeing for some exhaustion at 44,099 or 44,100 level. Okay. So 44,100, and we have got trapped sellers at this level. So at 82, yeah, so this is that level where I'm expecting supply to at least shut off and see the reaction. Okay, so I'm looking for the reaction at this level. I want, because there are trap sellers here, and this is where there is accumulation of the stacked trapped buyers. I would say not trapped buyers, but yes, there are buyers at this level. So yes, we are dropping now, seeing some continuation. I'm looking to see the reaction. So for me, the trade plan is at this level. Do we continue or do we look below and fail? So I've entered a call trade 43,700 and yeah, my stop loss got hit. Okay, and again, the reason for entering the trade is I was expecting responsive buying at this level, and I was using the structure. So overall, okay, so this is that trade. Entered at 316, my SL got hit at 319, my SL was 320, and yeah, just made about a couple of bucks with this trading account. Okay, so now I'm seeing some responsive buying, and I just need to be careful today, because being a weekly expiry, premium erosion is going to be the one which is going to hamper. So wow, so the 43,700 is now at trading at 340, which I got it at 316. Okay, anyways, that's fine. I don't mind, but yeah, this was the reaction which I was looking for, and I'm glad that at least I was right, or I would say I was not right, but I was in tune with the market, in tune with the flow of what it is telling me. Yes, so yeah, so let me see if there are any comments. No comments. Yep, so now again some supply is definitely present at 44,126. So these are the ones who are reloading, and we also have got a trapped buyer at 44,169. So good continuation lower. Now this is where I'm looking for again the supply to shut off, and we are just in a range. So now the trade plan is, look, does it go above 44,234 and continue, and fails? So does it continue? Then that's a good long opportunity. If it fails, that's a good short opportunity. Similarly, 44.82, does it continue below 44.82 and continues? So that's a good short opportunity, or it fails. If it fails, it's a long opportunity. Yeah. So okay, so that's it from me today, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow, or maybe after. Okay, I'll update if I'm coming, because there's a call happening tomorrow, so I might come live and just speak for the first 12 to 15 minutes and then shut off, because there's a other meeting which I'm supposed to attend. Anyways, no comments yet, so thank you again. Have a safe expiry, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, take care. Bye for now.